Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about the economic and social conditions during the time of Mauryan Empire. What is our topic today? Economic and social conditions of Mauryan period. Put the heading, students. This is also one of the most important essay type question in the view of annual examinations. Before we will go to our topic, what we are discussed in previous video. In previous video, we shall discuss about the administrative system of Mauryans. That is also one of the most important essay type question in the view of annual examination. Okay? Put the heading, students. First of all, economic conditions. What type of economic conditions have been seen during the time of Mauryans? ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఎకనామిక్ కండిషన్స్ అనగానే we remember three sectors. One is agriculture, second one is industries, third one trade and commerce. These three sectors explanation is in the matter of economic conditions in any dynasty and any period. These three subheadings are common in economic conditions. Matter was different, information was different, but headings are common in economic conditions: agriculture, industries and trade and commerce. Okay, students? First one, agriculture. Agriculture was the main profession of the people in the contemporary period of Mauryans. Not only in those days, nowadays also agriculture was the main occupation of the people in our country. Okay? In those days also agriculture was the main profession of the people or main occupation of the people. That's why the rulers, the kings and the subordinates of the kings are work for the development of agriculture sector. That's why they were taking so many activities for the development of agriculture and to the progress of agriculture field and to the huge crop production. That's why they were cut the forests. First of all, they were cut the forests and new lands were brought to cultivate the land. And they were produced a number of crops. And they were produced in huge level of crop production. And the rulers collected as a land tax as 1/6 or 1/4 from the peasants to the produce of crop production. And second, industries. Industries also developed by the rulers. Industries also developed by the rulers. There is so many industries are in progress during the time of Mauryans. For example, carpentry work is in huge level, and ship building also construct in huge level, and manufacturing of war materials. This type of industries have been extended in Mauryan Empire. In these fields, in agriculture and industries, the slaves were employed. Slaves were employed in agriculture and industries. Okay, agriculture in industries, labors are came from the slaves. ఆ స్లేవ్స్ ఎవరైతే యుద్ధాలలో మనకు ఓడిపోయి పట్టుబడతారో అటువంటి వాళ్ళంతా కూడా స్లేవ్స్గా వీళ్ళు ఉంటారన్నమాట. దే వర్ వర్క్డ్ ఇన్ అగ్రికల్చర్ అండ్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ fields. And also trade and commerce also developed. The transportation also developed during the time of Mauryan rulers. Especially the Grand Trunk roads were constructed during the time of King Ashoka. The trade and commerce also launched. Trade and commerce also developed in various regions of the Mauryan Empire. Especially trade went on between north and south part of India. Various profession groups are trading groups were formed as a Srenis. Srenis nothing but trading groups. This was the society of a particular trading group. This Srenis worked like a banks. This Srenis worked like a modern banks. So this was a brief information about economic conditions of Mauryan period. Okay. Next, I am going to explain about social conditions. Social, nothing but society. Society, nothing but citizenship. Okay. Here I mentioned some key points about social conditions of Mauryans or Mauryan contemporary period. According to Ardhashastra and Megasthenes Indica, or tells about the total information of the social conditions in contemporary period. Especially the Varna system got in strengthened. Varna system got its strength. And according to Ardhashastra, 4 Varnas are there. Ardhashastra mentioned 4 Varnas. They are 1. Brahmins, second one Kshatriyas, third one Vaishyas, and fourth one Shudras. Brahmins deals with Purohit activities. They were educated. They were known all Vedas and Puranas and Darshanas, etc. They were occupied high position in the society. They were gives much more respect from the people or society. They were appointed as a higher officers in administrative system of Mauryans, and they were played a key role in various activities of rituals and sacrifices. Totally, the Brahmins dominated in the society. Next, Kshatriyas. What is the main duty of Kshatriyas? Kshatriyas were main duties: protect the kingdom and protect the lives of the people. And third one, Vaishyas. Vaishyas doing agriculture and trade and commerce. And what about Shudras? Shudras were the last Varna in the fourfold caste system of our ancient Indian history. Shudras were no liberty. They were served to the above three categories. This is the fourfold information about the fourfold caste system. This fourfold caste system was strengthened position during the time of Mauryan period. This information denotes in Ardhashastra, Kautilya's Ardhashastra. And Ardhashastra has prohibited the changing of profession. Ardhashastra has prohibited the change of the occupation. ఒక ప్రొఫెషన్లో ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఇంకొక ప్రొఫెషన్లో వెళ్ళటానికి వీల్లేదు. అది నిషేధం. That is prohibited. This information clearly denotes in Kautilya's Ardhashastra. But Megasthenes Indica mentioned 7 castes. Megasthenes Indica mentioned 7 castes. But Ardhashastra mentioned 4 varnas. But here Megasthenes Indica mentioned 7 castes. They are 1. Brahmins. Second category, agriculturists. And third, cattle rearers. Fourth, craftsmen and tradesmen. Craftsmen and tradesmen. Fifth, hunters. Sixth, soldiers. Seventh, overseers. Overseers nothing but employees. This is the categories of the society according to Megasthenes Indica. And some of superstitions also have been seen in the society of the contemporary period of Mauryans. In that, one is polygamy has increased in the society. What is polygamy? It is in Telugu known as Bahubharyatvam. Polygamy has increased. And second, purchase of sale girls was there. Purchase of sale girls was there. అమ్మాయిలని ఇక్కడ అమ్మేవారు. దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ట్రెండ్ ఆల్సో ఇస్ దేర్. అండ్ థర్డ్ వన్, independence of women got less. According to this statement, there was no liberty of women. Women got less position in the society. And fourth, sati was in practice. Sati was in practice. What is sati? When his husband died, his wife put into the fire. ఒక భర్త మరణిస్తే ఆమె భార్యను కూడా చితిలో పెట్టి కాల్ చేసేవారు. దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ social evil or social practice was in strength in the society during the period of Mauryans. And another one, prostitution also is there. Prostitution. Government also agreed to take this type of profession. Government also approved of the prostitution's profession. Why? Because those who are followed prostitution's practice, they were paid some tax to the government. That's why the government also approved the prostitution's profession. And finally, women were also appointed as spices. Women also appointed as a spice. గూఢాచారులుగా కూడా వీళ్ళు నియమించబడేవారు అన్నట్టు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ బ్రీఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ సోషల్ కండిషన్స్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ we shall discuss about the economic and social conditions. Tomorrow we shall discuss about the cultural conditions of Mauryan period. What type of cultures, what type of traditions, what type of religious and language literature, and what type of art and architecture should be followed by the Mauryans period. This type of information can be discussed next video.